During this guided breathwork technique, I will be playing my sound healing tools for you. This video will be infused with Reiki for healing as well. This breath technique, the 478, is by far my favorite breathing method out of all of them that I have learned. Many do not realize this, but we do not breathe correctly throughout the day. Our breaths are way too shallow. Different breathing styles can actually help our nervous system calm and relax. You can use this whenever you're feeling anxious or your nerves are getting the best of you. You might even help use this when you're trying to fall asleep at night. To get the most benefit from this approach, practice this at least twice a day and when you are trying to sleep. It can really help you. It is very important when doing this breath work that you fill your belly and lungs as full as you can with air, taking the deepest breath you can. Let's get ready to practice it together. Find a comfortable position, one where you will be safe and free from distraction. We will begin by taking a breath in through our nostrils to the count of 4. Remember, it's a very deep breath. Filling your belly, just watch your belly expand and going up into your lungs and your chest. Hold the breath for a count of 7 and release through your mouth to the count of 8 with some force as the air flows out. Once we do this, we will repeat this exercise 3 times. So let's begin. We're going to start with the count of 4. Remember, breathing in through our nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when you breathe out, count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. Now, I'm not going to count this time. I'm going to actually do it with you. So let's begin. Inhale to the count of 4. Let's do it one more time. Into the count of 4. And maybe you'll notice that you're actually already starting to feel calmer. You can go faster or slower with the counts, that's up to you. The most important part is to keep the breath ratio, inhale, hold, exhale, as the 4, 7, 8 counts. The music will continue a little longer. Feel free to rest and enjoy.